Very yellow. Very beautiful nature, but only dry cannot go.
Yeah.
See the road there.
Yeah.
Wow. That's why I can see that.
Huh? Huh?
The circle I did right and there very deep. Over there.
Yeah. 15 minutes past 4 already. Late again.
Oop.
Fucking biker. No one likes bikers.
Oh. You never check right?
Hmm?
You never check right what the road go over there.
What road?
How long road? I see the road go over there, over there, over there.
Yeah, but it goes to the other side of the island.
Oh, okay.
You can go there, but it's very, very, very deep. You don't like that.
Oh.
And let's see from there. See there. Then if we go that way, then it takes like maybe 2 hours before we are back home. This way only maybe 1 hour.
Oh. Go back better.
Yeah. Now we come to Maska. Now I will walk in the middle.
Very deep. What they wait for?
I think they're waiting for bus.
We will all walk there, right?
Yeah.
Wait for park car.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do, honey. See, they're leaving there. Somebody's leaving there.
Okay.
Okay. They are packing but very slowly. They are sitting in the car. I think they are going very soon. Somebody will leave. Love it. Yeah, no, really. Good. No, it's just sitting there. They are. Good. Why it takes so long for people to go? 5 minutes before they go. See? You see the other one there?
I think I bought two over there. Small back there.
Maybe.